In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Hostinger email to Gmail with this quick tutorial. By the end of this video, you'll be able to manage your emails more efficiently by accessing your Hostinger emails right from your Gmail inbox. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Gmail by opening your web browser and typing mail.google.com in the address bar. Once you've logged into your Gmail account, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you will find the settings icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that says See All Settings. This will open a new page with a comprehensive list of settings. Now that you're in the settings, look for the tab called Accounts and Import and click on it. This section allows you to manage your email accounts and import options. Look for a button labeled Add a Mail Account and give it a click. This action will open a new window where you'll be prompted to type in the email address you want to add. Go ahead and enter your Hostinger email address here, then click Next to proceed. Moving on, you'll be asked to enter the password for your Hostinger email address. Make sure you carefully type it in to avoid any errors. Now, to configure the PuPI server, you will need to go to your Hostinger account. Once logged into Hostinger, navigate to the Mails section, select the Manage option next to your email, and then find Connect Apps and Devices. Here, you'll see the information you need for the POP server and port settings. Return to the Gmail window and paste the POP server and port number into the corresponding fields. Make sure to check the first 4 boxes in this section to ensure a seamless email connection and data transfer. With these settings configured, click Add Account to continue the integration process. After adding your account, you'll have the option to decide whether you want to send emails from this email address via Gmail. Select Yes, and then click Next. Now, you need to return to Hostinger once again to find your SMTP server and port number. This information should be in the same Connect Apps and Devices section as before. In the Gmail window, paste the SMTP server and port number. Ensure your username is your Hostinger email address and re-enter your Hostinger password. Click Add Account once these details are complete. At this point, check your Hostinger inbox for a confirmation email from Gmail. You'll need to confirm the connection through this email to complete the setup. And there you have it. Your Hostinger email is now successfully connected.